This video shows how to buy shares of SSE, confirming the process for SSE listed as SSE.L. SSE is a British energy company active in power generation, distribution, and renewables, and it trades on LSE plc under the ticker SSE.L. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. You need a broker to trade stocks, and we use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker SSE.L to locate the security. Confirm you select the listing that shows SSE on the London Stock Exchange to ensure it is the correct share. On the SSE asset page, check the basic company description and the price chart to confirm you are on the right stock. Take a quick look at market hours and recent price action so you understand the context before buying. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button. Choose the amount you wish to invest and pick any order options available, then review the details and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may become pending and execute when trading reopens. And if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add more before final confirmation. Once completed, your SSE position will appear in your portfolio. For the example broker link and resources, see the description below.